Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making fajita steaks on the Power XL smokeless grill. Alright, I'm starting out to have 3 top sirloin steaks. Now steaks are so expensive nowadays, guys. This is a cheaper alternative to more expensive cuts. And this top sirloin is tender steak when you're done frying it. Now we've heard of fajita steaks or steak fajita. I'm making fajita steaks. It's just going to be steak seasoned with some fajita seasoning. It's going to be really easy and really delicious. I'm just going to sprinkle my fajita seasoning on here. And this smells a lot like taco seasoning. You just want to season them up well. I'm just going to go ahead and pat that in. And the reason I have so much steak is because it's me and Holly and my 3 boys. Our 3 boys, I should say. I don't want to take any credit away from Holly. And I invited my sister-in-law, Candy, over for dinner. And my great-niece and nephew, Candy's grandchildren, are coming over to eat with us. Because their mom's working tonight. So I have to have enough steak to go around. So I'm going to go ahead and season the other side. And I have my Power XL grill warmed up already. So I'm going to go ahead and season up the other side. And then we'll get these over to the grill. Okay, my grill's all warmed up and I have the fan on to take care of the smoke. And I'm going to fry these for probably about 7 or 8 minutes per side because we like our steaks well done. At least most of the family does. I can eat mine medium rare, but they like theirs well done. So I'm going to give these about 7 or 8 minutes per side, and when I turn them over I'll bring it back. Alright guys, I let these go for 8 minutes. You see there's no grease splatter, no smoke or nothing. And when you close that lid down, I actually like a convection oven, so that'll help cook the steaks quicker. I'm going to turn these over. And we're starting to get a nice grill on them. Now I'm going to give these 8 more minutes, guys, because I don't think the Power XL smokeless grill gets as hot as your stove top. And I want to make sure these are cooked through. So I'll go ahead and give them 8 more minutes and we'll see how they look. Alright, all my steaks finished frying. I had to pull one off the grill because it was overcrowded, so I had to fry them separate. While they finished frying, I have a pan here heating up. I'm going to put a little olive oil in there. And I have 2 green bell peppers, 1 red bell pepper, and 1 onion. I'm going to get them in here and get them starting to saute and fry up till they get soft. We're going to serve this with the steaks, over the steaks. Alright, now that my vegetables are about half sauteed, I have about a quarter of a pack of that fajita seasoning left. I'm going to sprinkle that in over the vegetables. That'll give a good fajita flavoring, Sam. And I'm going to allow these to saute a little longer till they turn totally soft. Alright, my vegetables are done frying, they're nice and tender. My steaks are done frying, they're done resting. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. I also went ahead and made some Spanish rice to go with this. I'm going to go and try some of this steak, guys. See, it's cooked through. Nice and tender. Well seasoned. Try some of these peppers and onions. They got that good fajita flavor. The steak has a good fajita flavor. And Spanish rice on the side, that goes perfect with this. Alright, there you have it. Fajita steaks on a Power XL smokeless grill. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see you.